love the way they ride. What's this?
Even when you want to sleep said my right arm's tired from shoving that cunt who was trying to push Bella to get her stupid ass friend, and they worked there. They worked for the venue. I was like,
Oh,
Hero,
really?
can't you fucking like back it up? They were talking about, oh, we set it up the thing, like la la la. Fuck you, bitch. Move over. I paid to be here, bitch.
Sat on my foot.
She kept stepping on my foot. She kept stomping on my foot.
Like on purpose?
Yes, brother, of course.
What did you think of concert?
She was fire. I love her. She ate down. Choreography on point. Lighting on point. Background on point. Backup dancers on point.
10 out of 10. 5 grabs out of 5.
The DJ fucking fire.
He was sick.
He was fire.
I loved it. It was incredible. It was good. 10 out of 10. Would do again. I would absolutely do
10
that.
Pink Pantheresses out of 10.
Absolutely. I want that DJ to play every event I go to. He was awesome.
He was amazing.
Bye bye.